How to turn off app analytics on Swap application. Our guest specialist is to turn off app analytics on Uniswap. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Uniswap application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option for setting. Click on it. After you click on it, scroll down. You can see multiple options. Just simply tap on permissions. After you click on permissions, you can see option for app analytics. You are looking to disable it, right? Toggle it. Once you toggle it, your app analytics will be hidden. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn off app analytics on Uniswap. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. And if you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.